and welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna show a product that is just launched and it's called the Secret Box of Pandora. So if you are looking for a product or to start earning passive income, this may be an option for you. You can have up to like 2,520 articles and you can have that available for you. You'll be able to have this ready for publication. You will have 18 ebooks of 100 articles each. So this will definitely help you. It's a PLR product that you can use and can resell or use it for yourself. So let's see what is in here. And as always, I have a special bonus you're going to be receiving when you do decide to get this product. But it is all done for you. So it is a collection of 2,520 edible articles with 300 or 400 words for each piece of keywords. And then it has 2,520 articles that can consist of 18 ebooks of 140 items each. This can be published, sold, or offered as a bonus. So this will definitely be beneficial if you want to go and get it. It has the 18 ebook cover templates, especially designed for this collection. And then the covers are editable. You can customize it and configure it for each book. So what is the price on this? Is the front end is $6.99. You will have the collection of those articles that I mentioned. It will have the or the 18 ebooks. And like I said, it's ready for publish. You can have a complete 100 commission if you decide to resell them or use them. You'll be able to have complete rights for that. Upsell number one, it will be the 18 templates book covers ready to publish, and the other one will be the upsell number two at $37. It will be a self-publishing license right. So the Secret Box of Pandora, like I said, it is out already. So if you want to go ahead, this is the sales page. You can go ahead and click here. And if you click here, or any of my links will take you to that sales page for the product, and you'll be able to use this. It will give you details of the module one and everything that is in that. And then it will give you details of the books that you will be able to use for yourself. And then the self-publishing license resale rights that you can use and rebrand those and be able to kind of earn money out of that. So this is a sales page. Let me tell you, I have a special bonus you're going to be receiving when you decide to get this product. So I have this one, how to write headlines, subjects, as well. So in case you want to kind of customize and title all of that, this will help you. So you'll get this bonus. And also you're going to have Mobility that will be able to kind of help you with traffic. And then bonus number 3, you're going to learn how to make effective copywriting. So it's going to teach you more about that, how to do articles and all that, so you can sell. And of course, we need a traffic multiplier to bring traffic to you, the Fuego multiplier. So you bring traffic for use for this product, so you can start selling them. So I think this is a short video just to kind of give you a heads up that this product is out there, and you are welcome to kind of purchase it and be able to take advantage of this. I think it's a pretty good idea if you want to kind of use the PLR products and be able to earn income out of this products already made for you. Well, thank you for watching, and I just wanted to kind of give you another invitation for you to continue. If you haven't subscribed to my channels, please remember to subscribe, so I'm going to continue bringing and uploading new videos with different products that I kind of search about and see that might be beneficial for you. So don't forget, please subscribe, click the like button and the notification button so you can receive more notices when I'm uploading new videos or new tutorials or new how to do videos. So once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you do want to get this, the Secret Box of Pandora, please click the link below, go to my bonus page, and you'll be able to access the product. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next. Bye-bye.